Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading Passage A, Dad. Ouch, be careful, Dad shouted as the hot liquid spilled out from his cup and onto his work pants. Now I will need to change, and I am already late. The children were not listening. They were intent on their game of hide and seek, running from chair to table. Oh well, you didn't need a second cup anyway, said Mum. They both left the room to find new pens while the children continued to run, jump, and hide in the kitchen. Questions. Where were the children playing? Why did Dad say ouch? Why was the father angry with the children? What is meant by the word intent as it is used in the text? Where was the father going after he finished his drink? Let's check the answers. Where were the children playing? The children were playing in the kitchen. Why did Dad say ouch? He said ouch because hot liquid had spilled from his cup and on to his work pants. Or we could say the hot water, tea, or coffee burned him. Why was the father angry with the children? Well, we know that they had spilled a hot drink onto his work pants, but we also know that he was worried that he would be late. What is meant by the word intent as it is used in the text? Intent means to be focused on something or to have your attention on something. Where was the father going after he finished his drink? Well, we know that he's going to work or to his job. This is because he's wearing work pants. Thank you for your time. How did you go?